This is day 10, and just like the 12 days of Christmas, each one brings a new surprise. Who even wants 12 swimming swans? I certainly didn't. Being made to transition to an online learning experience against my will has been world-changing, like the transition North Korea faced when Un took the throne from Il. People thought, hey, things might even be better than before, and then time passed and reality set in. I apologize for my slightly offensive analogy. Being an online college student really isn't that hard. It has its challenges, certainly, but it also has its advantages as well. I've been waking up on average at 11 a.m. each morning. However, for the past few days, I've been drilling in the habit of a 7 a.m. wake up time into my morning routine. From there, I usually take a shower. Nah. Well, every other day, so that I shower on my workout days when I actually need it. However, soon I am going to be transitioning into doing daily morning showers, cold showers, for a 30-day challenge that I'm going to be making into a video here on YouTube. But see, as a Korean individual, I tell myself that genetically I have this thing where my sweat glands don't produce a pungent odor, hence the fewer showers. It probably explains why my acne is so bad though. So today is Monday, very start of week 2 for online college classes, and it's the very first day that I chose to get up early, and it's 7 o'clock, set my alarm for then, got up, took a shower, made breakfast, and I got my cup of coffee right here. And the reason why I chose to get up so early, it's not even that early, it's just 7 o'clock. The reason why I chose to get up early was because I have an exam this morning at 9 a.m. Didn't study for it, so we're just preparing for it right now. I do like getting up early like this and really getting some productive work done, whether that be my studies or whether that be writing, doing some work for my YouTube channel, for Patreon. I think it's just a great way to really kick off the day, and especially it can add some more consistency to my daily routine as opposed to me just like waking up at 11 o'clock in the morning, making lunch at like 3. I think this is gonna be good. I am a media production student, very fitting for what I do, especially here on YouTube, and my assignments for the rest of the semester are to create weekly YouTube videos in vlog format and to send them off to my professor. I intend to ace that class. Obviously myself, along with everyone else in the world, we got a lot more free time. I don't work as much, I don't work out as much. 90% of the schoolwork that I have can be done on my own time, and things are just a lot more loose.
We're gonna be the ones who try art world minus on treating for the kids. And one of the ladies really loved it, and she's gonna
I've decided to take up a few more hobbies and to further develop the ones that I already have invested myself in. I hope it's noticeable, but if it isn't, I've been putting much more time, effort, and care into my craft of filmmaking for both YouTube and Patreon. We'll talk about Patreon a little more later. One thing that I'm really trying to hone in on is quality as opposed to quantity. I used to spend a lot of time and money playing Fortnite. As you can see, I've become an excellent player. So today I get to see Mari, and it's been a month since I last have. She took a 2-week trip, had to self-quarantine for another 2, and it's just been another thing added on top of this whole crazy show. And so, yeah, I'm very, very excited to see her. Don't ask about the mess, all right? Cleaning just doesn't happen to be one of the extra hobbies that I've chosen to add into my life right now.
Oh my gosh. Just totally koala bearing right on top of him. Romantic.
Oh, I missed you. One thing that I've really missed is just plain and simple interaction. And sure, I get to see my girlfriend. That's been such a blessing, being able to spend time with her. It's been amazing. But I'm talking about the more mundane things. Waiting in line at the coffee shop, wishing the cashier a good day, going to chapel. I attend a Christian university, but I haven't gone to e-church ever since things completely shut down. I have been reading the Bible every single day. It's not an excuse, it's just where I'm at. It's been a much lonelier experience. Who knew self-isolation meant truly isolating yourself? Previously, that was one of my depression red flags, and now it seems as if that's the best thing that I can do. In terms of my mental health, things have improved, but certainly have their ups and downs. I didn't really realize that things were going actually really well until I had a conversation with my mom, and she expressed to me some of the differences she's been seeing and the changes in my behavior and my mood. And so don't worry, I'm not an at-risk individual. Things are good. But as my daily routine has simplified and as I've been able to pick and choose which things to add or take away from my everyday life, it's positively impacted my mood, even my relationships.
What are you doing?
Checking your browser history.
I'm good.
Being able to invest more time into my relationships with my parents, friends, my girlfriend, and even God has been wonderfully my own decision. And of course, the key to happiness as a young adolescent is being able to make independent decisions for one's self. I'm kidding, but some days it can feel like that. With my free time, I started being more active on TikTok again. So yeah, that's toxic. So overall, I've tried some productive activities and I've made some positive lifestyle changes and additions. However, I've made sure that I still have time for doing things like watching my favorite TV show or playing video games and staying active. If you're a college student or if you're finding it difficult to adjust 100% to all of these massive changes, don't worry, you are not alone. We are certainly in this together and we'll get through this together. Stay positive and stay healthy. Before we close out the video, I would like to talk about my Patreon. It's where I release exclusive podcasts, interviews, behind the scenes videos, short films that I don't release anywhere else, and so much more. I'm planning to do a pretty sweet giveaway once I reach 25 patron supporters. So if you would like to go ahead and become my first patron supporter, the link is in the description. However, if you're not financially comfortable right now, don't worry, I completely understand, and I'm already more than beyond grateful that you guys are taking the time to watch my YouTube videos here. But thank you so much for watching this one. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it with your friends if you found this information to be fun or interesting. Leave a comment in the section below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. You like the show? I'm glad.